This is Andrew Domino with CarbSmart.com, and today I'm making Dana Carpenter's Low-Carb Quiche Crust Recipe. How could you possibly miss the usual flavorless white flour crust you find in a regular quiche? If you're looking to make a perfect gluten-free, grain-free, low-carb quiche crust, look no further. This almond flour crust will go great with any quiche you make, especially Dana Carpenter's low-carb, ham, cheddar, and broccoli quiche recipe. Preheat your oven to 350 degrees. Coat a 10-inch pie plate with non-stick coconut oil spray or grease it well with coconut oil or butter. 1.5 cups shelled almonds or 1.5 cups of almond flour. 1/2 cup grated Parmesan cheese. 1/2 teaspoon salt. With the S-blade in place, put the almonds, Parmesan cheese, and salt in the food processor. Run it until everything is about the texture of cornmeal. Okay, I'm going to change my lighting and camera angle for the rest of this part of the video. Now we will add the wet ingredients to the dry ingredients. 2 tablespoons of coconut oil, 2 tablespoons of water. When a dough ball forms, turn off the processor. Turn the dough out into the prepared pie plate and press it into place evenly across the bottom and all the way up the sides. It's worth your time to work it nice and uniform. Bake for 20 minutes. Then let cool while you prepare your quiche filling. For a printable version of this recipe, search Quiche Crust on CarbSmart.com. For over 600 more free low-carb recipes, including over 100 by Dana Carpenter, please visit CarbSmart.com. I welcome your comments below.